today, since we're here early, squirrely. Here we go. Fun Friday yoga practice. Join me on the mat. Okay, let's get going. Take a deep breath. Inhale. And drop it down. Today's a day of fun Friday yoga with balance and ease. We're going to ease our way into the day. Yummy, yummy, yummy yoga. Exhale. Bring it down. Come on now. Let it flow. Let it flow. Join me in a downward facing dog. Take a deep breath. Bring it forward. And set your body down on the mat and then raise your knees. I know you can't see mine. It's these britches. I love them though. They're comfy. 2, 3. Drop your knees down and push your bottom back. Here we go. Inhale. Inhale. And walk your dog.
I can fix that. It's a little annoying.
Deal, Christina. Foot in the air. Exhale. Take a deep breath. Got your aromatherapy today? I decided to use some tea tree oil. Oh boy, this feels so good. I just have to stay here for a sec. All right, join me. And then bring your knee forward and touch your elbow. Hold it there. Shoulders away from your ears. Tidy up that body. Tighten your butt. Shoulders away from your ears. Arms nice and straight. Tummy tight. Let's bring it back. Yeah. Whoo. And, I just love this pose. I do. And I think my booty likes it too. I'm trying to grow my butt. All right, here we go. Let's come up one more time. Touch your elbow. Hold yourself up. Tidy your body. Deep breath. 2 and 3. And bring it back. Woo. Boy, that feels good. All right, let's bring it between your hands this time. All right, but first, let's do a little stretch. See if you can touch your head. Not yet. Okay, let's bring it forward. Okay, and now we're going to rise up into a lunge. Okay, a runner's lunge. We're in a runner's lunge right now. We're going to rise up. Balance. Hold it. Arms in the air. There we go. Drop it down. There we go. Back with that leg all the way back. All the way back. There we go. Awesome. Hold it. Hold it. Bring it forward again. Another runner's lunge. A little practice here. Hold it there. Because the rising up and down also. Yummy. Okay, rise up. Exhale. Inhale, arms back. Hold it. 2, 3, raise your arms. Whoa, my legs. 2, 3, bring it down. Oh, that was good. Let's bring that foot back. And just rest in your downward facing dog. And here we go with the other foot. Raise it up in the air, pointing to the sky. for you and I. Hold it there. Come up and touch your elbow. Exhaling as you come. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Bring that foot back again. There we go. Yes, indeed. Oh, this feels so good. All right. Keep your foot flat if you can. All right. If you can't, it's okay if you're up here. Just a little harder on your calf. But, all right, we're going to touch our elbow again. Come on. Exhaling as you come forward. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, bring it back. Okay, hold it up so you can touch your head. No, not yet. Oh. One last time. 3, and bring it back. This time you're going to take your foot and put it between your hands. Ooh, I'm going to do a little ankle exercise. Okay, let's go. Come on, bring it forward. And you're in your runner's lunge again. Bring those arms up and back. Deep breath. Hold it, straighten those arms, tidy up that body, and raise the arms up in the air. Hold it. Tighten your butt to keep you tidy, and you can feel like this post that runs from the floor all the way up your body. Deep breath and bring it down. Exhale. Good job, good job. Push your foot back and into your downward facing dog. Deep breaths, walk your dog. Walk that doggy. All right, let's move forward with one foot and rise up into warrior pose, turning this foot this way, and stretch your arms out. So you've got one foot facing forward and the other is facing this direction. Okay, here we go. Let's rise to the occasion. Oh, this feels good. Good side body. And come back the other way and drop your arm to your leg and bring the other arm over your head for that side body stretch. That's right. Deep breath. Deep breath. And rise up. Rise to the occasion. Bring this foot forward. And here we are. Okay. Now, a little bit forward and a little bit back. And let's bring our feet forward. Our knees a little bit in. And we're going to come down into goddess pose. Yep. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now I want you to come down. Let's go down. Ooh, and bring your feet in. Oops, I had to sit down. Look at that. All right. And bring your feet in to where you need them. And then squat. Hands in front in a prayer pose. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm wishing you a joyful and prosperous day. Namaste.